Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Replit login issues step by step. If you can't sign in to your Replit account because of a password problem, an incorrect email, or another login issue, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple steps that can help you get back into your account quickly. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Replit website in your web browser. If you're already signed in, click on your profile menu in the top left corner of the page. From the menu that appears, click Log Out to sign out of your account. Once you're logged out, Replit will take you to the login page. Here, you'll see the email and password fields. Enter the email address associated with your Replit account, then type your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, because even a small error can prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password option. Replit will ask you to enter your registered email address and send you a password reset link. Open your email, follow the instructions, create a new password, and then return to the login page. Now enter your updated password or your correct existing password, then click the Login button. Wait a few seconds while Replit verifies your account information. If everything is correct, you'll be successfully signed in and taken back to your Replit dashboard. If you're still unable to log in, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or opening Replit in another browser. You should also make sure your internet connection is working properly. In many cases, these simple steps can solve temporary login problems. After logging in successfully, you'll be able to access all your Replit projects, continue coding, create new applications, and manage your account without any issues. And that's it. That's how you can fix Replit login issues quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.